Well, good Sunday morning, everyone. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you for another check of that forecast, that Cinco de Mayo forecast. We're going to start with a look at what the Climate Prediction Center is thinking in terms of temperatures throughout the month of May. And for us here in the tri-state, there is some confidence in May being above average when it comes to our temperatures overall. There's also some confidence in above average precipitation, so it looks like it could be warm and wet, possibly for a good part of May. We're certainly going to live up to that billing this week with plenty of rain chances. Now, taking you through our Saturday for the most part, I think the first half of our day will be dry, but you will notice those clouds on the increase as our next weather maker slowly approaches. It's all because we've got a boundary pretty much draped over the Ohio River. We'll kind of stall and wobble throughout the day, and as it stalls, it will allow our next piece of energy to sort of ride along it, and that's what's going to introduce the chances for more showers and storms as we get into later today, and then especially tonight and into our Monday morning. You'll see that here with Futurecast. Quiet early on, but notice by the lunch hour, here come the increase in those clouds. And then by this evening, watching for showers and thunderstorms. So not expecting severe weather today, but could be some heavy downpours and some frequent lightning as this slug of moisture makes its way across the area. Again, from west to east, maybe not getting into our eastern zones until many of you are in bed, but that shower activity remains across the area for most of us as we head into our Monday morning. So overall today, a transition day, very nice to start, and then we'll end it on the wet side with temperatures about 6 degrees above the average, about where we were yesterday, a few upper 70s and lower 80s, so between about 78 and 81 or 82, and then mild yet again tonight as we dip into the 60s. We're also not done with the active weather. Storm Prediction Center does have a slight risk across the entire tri-state here for Tuesday, mainly in the afternoon, and that threat also stretches into Wednesday, another 15% risk of severe weather. So things could get bumpy in the Tuesday and Wednesday time frame. Monday also looking quite wet, but not worried too much about severe weather on Monday. We are Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon. More storm chances Thursday and Friday, but we dry out just in time for the weekend.